ang schedule. I have to explain this very well to everyone. Pinag-usapan na namin to ng MMDA at ng DOTR and everyone is on board. Magsa-start tayo midnight of December 24 or maybe right before midnight, mga 11 p.m. of December 24. This year. Ito na next week na. And from December 24 to, January 5, 4 a.m., bago magsimula ang dagsa ng mga kababayan nating babalik sa trabaho pagkatapos ng New Year, magsisimula na tayo. And from December 24, 11 a.m., pakipakit na yan to, to January 5, 4 a.m., so December 24, 11 p.m. to January 5, 4 a.m., 24/7 tayo magtatrabaho sa EDSA during the Christmas holiday and New Year holiday. Kasi sabi naman si Chairman Don, sasalita about this later, sabi naman ni Chairman Don, wala namang masyadong gagamit ng EDSA during this time. Pati pasahero sa busway, hindi din ganun kadami. So we will take advantage of that, pakipalitan ganyan 12 a.m. to 11 p.m.